Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Goods. Today, we're diving into a tool that's a game changer for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike, the VEVOR 1/2-inch drive impact socket set. With 65 pieces, premium CRV alloy steel construction, and a super practical storage case, this set promises to deliver durability, convenience, and performance. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about construction. The sockets are made of impact-grade CRV alloy steel, which is known for its toughness and resistance to wear. VEVOR claims that their vacuum heat treatment process enhances the steel's durability, making it suitable for tough environments. And you can definitely feel the quality when you pick up one of these sockets. They're solid, with a polished finish that exudes reliability. I've used this set on several projects over the past few weeks, from working on cars to tackling stubborn bolts on heavy equipment. These sockets take the impact like a champ without deforming or losing their grip. This makes them perfect for both professional and home garage use. Now, here's where the VEVOR set really shines: the hexagonal drive design. Unlike conventional sockets that may wear down fasteners over time, this design reduces pressure on the corners of bolts, which minimizes rounding and stripping. This is a feature that every mechanic appreciates, especially when dealing with older or rusted fasteners. This small detail translates into smoother, safer, and more efficient operations, and it's a detail that shows VEVOR really thought about the user's needs. VEVOR's 65-piece set is nothing short of abundant. It includes both metric and SAE sockets ranging from 10mm to 24mm and 3x8" to 1.25. What's impressive is the inclusion of deep and standard sockets, 3 extension bars, and adapters, along with a 72-teeth ratchet wrench. You're covered for just about any job that requires an impact wrench. The laser-etched size markings are also a fantastic touch. They're easy to read even in dimly lit spaces, and unlike printed markings, these won't fade over time. The moderate-weight metal storage case is a big win. It keeps the sockets organized and prevents them from scattering, which is crucial when you're working in the field or need to move between job sites. The box itself feels sturdy and well-built, although it's not completely weatherproof, so avoid leaving it out in the rain. So, how does the VEVOR socket set perform under real-world conditions? To test, I used it on rusted lug nuts, stubborn suspension bolts, and even a seized engine mount bolt. The results? No rounding, no cracking, and no slipping. The sockets gripped securely every time, and the impact resistance lived up to the claims. This set is tough and handles high torque applications with ease. For heavy-duty work, you'll appreciate how dependable these tools are. The VEVOR 1/2-inch drive impact socket set offers numerous advantages, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Its durable construction from CRV alloy steel ensures exceptional impact resistance and longevity, while the hexagonal drive design minimizes pressure on fasteners, reducing the risk of rounding or stripping bolts. The set's comprehensive range of 65 pieces, including deep and standard sockets in both metric and SAE sizes, extension bars, adapters, and a ratchet wrench, makes it versatile enough for various applications. Features like laser-etched size markings improve usability, even in low-light conditions, and the sturdy metal storage case keeps everything organized and portable. Moreover, its affordable price point delivers professional-grade quality without breaking the bank. However, the set is not without minor drawbacks. Some users have noted a burnt charcoal smell upon unboxing, which may require ventilation or a quick cleaning before use. Additionally, the initial polishing and finishing on a few sockets could be improved to enhance the overall presentation and usability. Lastly, while the metal storage case is practical, it isn't fully weatherproof, so caution is needed to avoid prolonged exposure to moisture. Despite these minor issues, the set's performance, durability, and value far outweigh the cons, making it a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Let's take a look at what other users are saying about the VEVOR socket set. Many users appreciate the value for money, especially the completeness of the set and the high torque performance. One reviewer even mentioned that it's cheap enough not to worry about losing pieces, but good enough to worry about it. That's quite the endorsement. Others have pointed out the smell and suggested that a little pre-shipment polishing would improve the overall experience. These are minor issues, though, considering the price and performance. So, is the VEVOR 1/2-inch drive impact socket set worth your hard-earned money? Absolutely. This set delivers incredible value, offering durability, versatility, and convenience at a fraction of the cost of higher-end brands. While there are a few minor quirks, they're easily outweighed by the performance and practicality of the tools. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a weekend warrior, or just someone looking to upgrade their toolkit, the VEVOR socket set is a solid investment. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this set, or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Find the link to grab your own VEVOR 1/2-inch drive impact socket set in the description below. See you next time.